I am flying to London for about 2 weeks. Gonna go to Stonehenge for a few days, then I'm gonna be on Isle of Wight, and I'm gonna be with the bicycle there. Yeah. I have been reading in a while now, and I hope this will help to read again. If this will help, I'm gonna let you know in about 2 weeks. I'm flying business today.
Hallo.
So the flight is gonna be 1.5 hours, but I'm gonna be there at 12:40 because of the time zone.
Ladies and gentlemen, a bit of traffic on the ground this afternoon. We're waiting for the Air Canada on our left ahead, which is just exiting out the apron. Should be able to continue in 1 minute. Outside air temperature 24 degrees Celsius.
Right in London.
Boarding in 20 minutes.
I do have just half an hour because I have to rent a car and drive straight to... So behind me is Stonehenge. It doesn't look so spectacular, but it is spectacular if you think it's 4,500 years old. Amazing. I need a pound to check the pressure. All right. Pressure. See, I have a pound. All right, and now it seems I don't have enough pressure. 1 bar inside, and it's supposed to be 3. It's like I was driving with a flat tire almost.
I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust. And I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Let you down.
Now, I've tried to fly the drone here. I don't know if it's allowed, but I didn't flew over people, so I think it's okay. And the sun was covered quickly by a cloud, so I'm waiting for the second chance. And I don't know. I was so excited I forgot to play rec. I don't know. Many of you who fly drones, it's happening. It's happening. You think you're recording. So the first half of the flight was a little bit sunny. I don't have it. I just have the last part. But it's, in a way, it's kind of a country idyllic site. Look behind me. There are some sheeps. I think they are called sheeps. And over there, Stonehenge. And that's a cloud that obstructs me. It's kind of a nice image, but that's it. So I don't know. I will wait for a while, and if the clouds will go away in a few minutes, I don't know, 20 minutes, then I have a nice sunset, and I can film the Stonehenge. Good morning, Isle of Wight.
Say all the things that it's all so new to me. I that I miss you now, and I need to reminisce this, cause